Hi, this is Natalia at Embodia. In this video, I will show you how you can communicate with your patients easily, securely, and privately using Embodia's HIPAA, PHIPA, and PIPEDA-compliant two-way messaging feature, available for all Tier 2 users. Embodia's two-way messaging lets you share words of encouragement and additional resources with your patients, reply to exercise notes, and improve the patient-practitioner relationship, leading to increased patient satisfaction and improved outcomes. Your patients can also reach out to you without having to call or email, saving time for both practitioner and patient. By default, the two-way messaging feature is disabled for your account. To access this feature, go to your avatar in the top right corner. Click on My Settings, and then check the checkbox beside Enable Messaging with My Patients. To allow patients to attach notes when completing an exercise, check the Allow patients to attach notes when completing an exercise box. You can also choose to be notified when your patients send you a message by checking the box next to Send me notifications of new messages from my patients, and of patients adding new notes to their programs by checking the box next to Send me a notification if my patients add new notes to their programs. After making your selections, click on Update My Settings at the bottom. On Embodia, patients can add notes or comments on exercises when they mark them as completed. Once a patient leaves a note, you will be notified via email. To reply to a certain note, from a patient profile, visit the Programs tab and click on the hyperlinked program name in which a note was left. Scroll to the bottom to find patient notes and click on the yellow reply arrow. You can choose to reply in the existing conversation or a new conversation. The patient will be notified via email and will see the message in their Embodia dashboard under My Conversations and be able to send a reply. Here, a patient can also start a new conversation by clicking on New Conversation. Once a patient starts a new conversation not associated with any exercise program, a practitioner will see a yellow notification appear beside HEP on their Embodia dashboard. Clicking on My Conversations will allow you to reply to your patient. Another great feature available on Embodia's two-way messaging is auto-reply, found in the Auto-Reply Settings tab. You can set up automated replies to patient messages based on certain rules that you define, such as sending out-of-office replies when a patient messages you while you're on vacation. In addition to the web version of Embodia, patients and practitioners can also use Embodia's mobile app to send and receive messages. Both practitioners and patients can reply to any existing messages or can start a new conversation. This ends our brief tour of messaging on Embodia. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@embodiaapp.com.